Hello all. So now we are going to see the RH Whitaker 5 kingdom classification. What are the points they got considered for 5 kingdom classification? Okay. So RH Whitaker divided the entire living organisms under 5 kingdoms. So RH Whitaker is an American scientist. So he got divided into first kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. So kingdom fungi is first seen in RH Whitaker classification. Let's see what are the considering points of RH Whitaker 5 kingdom. So coming to the RH Whitaker 5 kingdom, so he got considered the cell type, whether it is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Coming to the kingdom Monera is the only kingdom which is having prokaryotic type of cell wall. Remaining all the kingdoms are eukaryotic. So the cell type for the kingdom Monera is prokaryotic. So that's why we call it as kingdom Monera, because that is the only kingdom which is having unicellular prokaryotic organisms. And all the prokaryotes that got belong to kingdom Monera. So what are the organisms that got belong to kingdom Monera is Actinomycetes, Cyanobacteria, all the bacteria. Okay, so Actinomycetes, Cyanobacteria, all the bacteria and including Mycoplasma. So there is one statement related to kingdom Monera. All bacteria belongs to kingdom Monera, but not all Monerans are bacteria. You have to remember this statement. All bacteria comes under kingdom Monera, but not all the Monerans are bacteria. Okay, so these are the organisms. Coming to cell wall. So bacteria have the cell wall which is made up of peptidoglycan, and it has 3 layers as an envelope. Outer will be glycocalyx and will be having peptidoglycan cell wall as well as cell membrane. Cell membrane will be quite similar with the eukaryotic. So that is coming to cell wall. Coming to nuclear membrane, the kingdom Monera will not have any sort of nuclear membrane because it is been given as a prokaryote. Prokaryotes will not have a nuclear membrane. And next, so coming to the next category, so that is mode of nutrition. So all the phototropic, heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasitic, all those forms will be available under kingdom Monera. So we have to remember that all the forms will be available under kingdom Monera, and the mode of reproduction you can see sexual as well as asexual. Asexual will be in the form of binary fission. There will be no sort of mitosis. It is a mitosis type, and also sexual will be transduction, so transformation. These things will come under sexual mode of reproduction under kingdom Monera. Okay. And next we are going to see is kingdom Protista. So coming to the kingdom Protista, the cell type is eukaryotic and the cell wall will be present for some Protestians. So what is the kingdom Protista? How it got formed is all the unicellular eukaryotes are being joined into one kingdom. So whatever, it may be fungi type, it may be plant type, or it may be animal type. Whatever is the type, if it is an unicellular eukaryotic, so they joined under a single kingdom, they call that kingdom as kingdom Protista. That's it. It is very simple. And this kingdom Protista is actually proposed by Ernest Haeckel. And next thing, what are the other things we have to remember is, so that is nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane will be present. If it is an eukaryotic, obviously the nuclear membrane will be there. And next, coming to the mode of nutrition. In this category also, because it has the fungi type of fungi type of Protista, animal type of Protista and plant type of Protista. So we have all the autotropic, heterotrophic as well as saprophytic. All those things is being present in kingdom Protista. So in kingdom Monera and kingdom Protista, all the type of nutrition will be there. Autotropic, chemosynthetic, photosynthetic, heterotrophic, saprophytic. So all these things will be there in both the kingdoms. And next, coming to kingdom fungi. So the cell type is eukaryotic. So obviously the nuclear membrane will be present. And coming to the cell wall is made up of chitin. Okay, N-acetyl glucosamine. Cell wall is made up of chitin. And next, so coming to the mode of nutrition, these are heterotropic. There is no sort of autotropic, but majorly it will be of saprophytic. If the fungi is not there on the earth, so we will be living with the dead. Okay, and next coming to plantae. So plants are eukaryotic, having nuclear membrane, and cell wall is present, which is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, lignin. So if it is algae, it is made up of galactans, mannans, etc. And next coming to the mode of nutrition, it is phototropic, so photosynthetic in nature, and autotropic as well as photosynthetic in nature. And coming to kingdom Animalia. So kingdom Animalia, the cell type is eukaryotic. Obviously nuclear membrane will be there, and the mode of nutrition will be heterotropic. So because all the animals will depend on the remaining plants as well as fungi, bacteria, protista. In remaining all the kingdoms, the animal kingdom will be dependent. It is heterotropic in nature. Okay, and these are the points to be seen under R.H. Whitaker system of 5 kingdom system of classification. And also you have to remember all the points. Please go back to the video and please do note the points, whatever the points is been so far important. This video is the points what we have discussed are being taken from the previous examinations and previous objective questions. Okay, I hope you got a very important points for your exam. So thank you very much. Please do subscribe. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment box. Thank you.